Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Piyush Agrawal. Today we are going to discuss about foreign key. In the previous session, I have shown you what is primary key and why we declare it, what is the need of it. Now today we are going to discuss about the foreign key. So let me open the ERD diagram which I used to take example of. So guys, yes, in the previous session I've shown you that this is a customer table and this is a primary key, and my primary key is 101. Okay, my primary key is 101. And why we have declared it? Now primary key is a combination of unique and not null values. I have placed three orders. 101 is my ID and I have placed three orders: order 1, order 2, order 3. Okay, I have placed these three orders. How you will come to know that I have placed these three orders? I am the one who placed these three orders. So I have to pass 101 here. Amazon have to pass 101 here, 101 here, so that they will understand these orders are ID and a primary key of order table, and which are coming from customer table. Okay, which customer have ordered. So this ID will be known as foreign key customer ID. So this ID 101 is known as foreign key. 101 is coming from customer table. We are referring it in order table. So we will call it as foreign key. This customer ID foreign key is a reference to this primary key. Okay. So foreign key do not have its own identity. It's a reference to primary key from another table. I hope this is clear to everyone. Guys, let me explain you once again. I have made primary key as 101 and I have placed three orders: order 1, order 2, order 3. Now these three orders belongs to 101 customer. So 101 we will pass with these IDs. Okay, this is ID primary key, which is a order 1, order 2, order 3. But customer ID is a foreign key. Is a foreign key. It is a reference to this primary key which is in the order table. Similarly, in order 1, I have placed multiple items. So I have placed bread and butter. Order item 1, order item 2. So this ID again is a primary key of order item. Is a primary key of order item. Along with that, I have this items are contained in order 1. So order 1 is order ID, which is again a foreign key, and which is referencing to this primary key in the order table. Okay. So guys, in this way, all these tables are interconnected to each other with the help of primary key and foreign key. Primary key and foreign key is a pillar of SQL. If you don't understand the concept of primary key and foreign key, you cannot work on SQL properly. Okay. So this is going to be very important session today, which I have explained you in the previous session primary key, and this session is foreign key. Okay. Stay tuned with me, hit the bell button, subscribe to my channel. We are going to go forward with multiple series of videos in SQL, and we are going to have with DML commands in the next session. Thank you guys. Thank you for time.